Welcome back to Ask the Doc on Buzz TV. I'm your host, Mike White, and on Ask the Doc, we sit down with prominent physicians and talk about what's going on in our communities and the great things they are doing. Join us again today is Dr. Ahmed with American Telephysicians. Welcome back to the program.
Thank you, Mike.
So I want to talk about your product, Cura4u. Tell me a little bit about how it came about and the services it offers customers.
So the idea of the Cura4u is, first of all, like how to bring price transparency. Savings healthcare. You know, our healthcare system is messed up because people don't know, first of all, how to get the coverage, and second, they don't know how much it's going to cost. Millions and millions of Americans now, unfortunately, due to COVID, have lost their jobs. And it means they don't have a healthcare coverage there. So the concept of Cura4u is this something which they can still get affordable healthcare services, and they can see the pricing up front. I want to specifically talk about one of the service package we're introducing is the wellness plan. If you do not have a primary care physician, and a lot of patients, they haven't seen a doctor, worried about whether they have diabetes or kidney disease there, just for $99, we are partnered with Quest Diagnostic. Not only you will get a lot of your blood work, annual blood works, which will basically screen out diabetes, kidney problem, any liver problem. But then you also will have an appointment with our doctor online to go over those results there. And if there is something wrong, we offer enrollment in our primary care physician service, online primary care doctor, as low as $49. I mean, the idea of that Cura4u is that no one should worry too much about the cost. And the affordability, of the healthcare should be our, a prime right for the patients.
So you give people options, knowledge, and transparency in pricing in terms of selecting which medical services they need. So in essence, you're kind of like the Amazon of medical services.
That's right. So I always say as American Telephysician, 3 A's. Access, to improving the access by listing all the quality healthcare providers, and so we let the patients choose with the providers. Affordability, which comes when you are giving price transparency, and we also do the negotiations with our healthcare partners, labs, radiology, or doctor services, so people get savings. Third thing is the awareness, patient education. I think that's most of the time it's kind of overlooked, but that's very important. So people tell them about different healthcare services. So we have a huge content on social media and the videos, and which tells patients, educates patients, and of course programs like yours. And we want to bring more and more physicians who talk about these different healthcare services there. And when people hear about these things there, the next thing we want on Cura4u, right away they can choose which service to choose from. So it's not only the patient education, but we're also giving them the choices and the services to choose from in a real time.
So what is the benefit for a physician to be a part of your program?
First thing, obviously, our major focus is on the online consultations, because I think that's the future and people want convenience, and you can have much increased outreach. So physicians are integral part of our entire ecosystem, different specialty. We have over 100 physicians who have joined our platform. So of course, we want all specialty, including the primary care. So the traditional physician practices who are, we partner with them also to refer patients, for those patients who needs to be really seen physically. But then we also have a pool of physicians who we utilize to see patients online. Either these patients are at home, or a big sector is senior living communities in the rural areas, the rural hospitals. I mean, wherever there's a shortage of specialists, utilizing a pool of physicians and our technology, we basically providing the services there. So we're always kind of, looking and welcoming to add more and more physicians in our pool.
Tell me about the future of Cura4u. You're Florida-based right now, but you're going national. So.
Absolutely. So, I mean, As an American Telephysician, we are already operating in international country. We started journey in Pakistan, in the US. We have operations in Florida. Labs nationwide, 2,200 locations with Quest. Radiology, over like 900 radiology center nationwide. We have started our online clinics in 8 different states. One of the big services, if you do not have a doctor's order, as I said, the wellness plan, we're now providing that doctor service too. We just signed a contract with the pharmacy, which will provide medications throughout the US. So the goal plan is to have this whole complete Amazon of healthcare ecosystem model in every state. And then, replicating the same models in the other countries as well.
Well, thank you for all you do for our community and helping to keep people safe and well.
Thank you so much for the opportunity.
To find out more about American Telephysicians and Cura4u and all the great programs they offer, visit us at iwantabuzz.com. We look forward to seeing you next time on Buzz TV.